evening, good morning, good night. I'm really happy to see that I have some viewers who are from different countries. So very much welcome to you all. Everyone is enjoying my videos and I'm enjoying making them for you. So the last car was, as you all know, it was the Audi Q5. We enjoyed for 1 year. I enjoyed, but my wife did not enjoy. Anyway, so I enjoyed, and the 10th car, so that is something that we had a very bad experience financially with the previous car, that was the Q5, but we wanted something which is more reliable, because हमने देख लिया गाड़ी, मतलब अगर ख़राब गाड़ी है, लेमन कार है, तो वो पूरा टाइम वर्कशॉप में रहती है, तो वो वर्कशॉप में रहना और हमें गाड़ी नहीं होना उस टाइम, like if the car is in the workshop, you have to go somewhere, you need to rent a car or maybe ask your friend. अच्छा नहीं लगता ऐसे. तो अपना कार है तो you should use it, it should be there with you rather than in the workshop. So anyway, we had approximately 2 to 3 weeks of no car, so we were enjoying rent a car. So many companies are there. You have Rev is there, Zoom Car is there. So my personal favorite is Rev. They give good cars, car का quality होता है, अच्छा होता है, और they're comparatively cheaper than Zoom Car or other rent self drive rent cars. हमारा हर वीकेंड में ये प्लान होता था कि हम आज कोई गाड़ी देखने जाएंगे और मे बी वो हो जाएगा, मतलब फाइनल हो जाएगा. तो व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई डिडंट गो अलोन, आई टुक माय फैमिली अलोंग, सो दैट बच्चों की भी आउटिंग हो रही है और हम जा रहे हैं, कुछ खा के आ रहे हैं या आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं, आपको कार भी देख लिया. फाइनली वर एबल टू फाइंड अ कार. आई सॉ एन एड, जब रात को मैं सोने से पहले ऐसे एड्स देख रहा था, तो आई सॉ अ न्यू एड जस्ट पोस्टेड, मुश्किल से 5-10 मिनट्स हुआ होगा, and that was for a Honda CR-V. So I have always been in love with Honda cars. I always wanted to own a Honda Accord. वो कभी हो नहीं पाया, maybe future में शायद हो पाए. So Honda Accords, Honda City, these have been good performance cars. Where Civic, so Honda Civic, so all these cars I have already is in my bucket list of owning, but वो नहीं हो पाया. So anyway, Honda CR-V was another thing that we saw. So the only thing that the concern was for the car was around 15 years old. But if you look at the car, I'll post some pics. I mean, no one can say it's like maybe 4 years, 5 years max. वो जो बंदा था उसने इतना अच्छा मेंटेन किया था कार. Just imagine, for 15 years that guy serviced in Honda. I mean, I am a car guy. I like cars. बट एक टाइम तक ठीक है कि आप मैन्युफैक्चरर के पास वर्कशॉप में जा रहे हो, बट उसके बाद नहीं. मतलब ऑब्वियसली दे आर मोर एक्सपेंसिव, दे यू नीड टू पे टैक्सेस एंड देयर इज लेबर चार्जेस. अगर एक नॉर्मल आप वर्कशॉप में जाओगे जैसे टाटा या होंडा या Hyundai जो भी है, सो दे चार्ज अ स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट फॉर स्पेयर पार्ट्स and that would be taxable. They charge a specific amount for labor, that would be chargeable. There would be some service charges. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. मतलब अगर आप नॉर्मल मैकेनिक के पास जाओगे तो आपको सिर्फ स्पेयर पार्ट्स का चार्जेस होगा, जिसमें मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली टैक्स नहीं लगेगा, वो अलग से उसको ऑब्वियसली कोई मार्केट से लेके आएगा, होलसेल मार्केट से. एंड आपको जो लेबर चार्ज है वो भी आपको एक शीट पे लिख के दे देगा, उसमें भी आई थिंक वो टैक्स नहीं देता होगा, आई एम अज्यूमिंग. एनीवे, दैट गाय, आई एम कमिंग बैक टू द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ द कार. That guy kept the car for 15 years and he was servicing in Honda only. So we did double check it before buying it. So me, my wife, my kids, we went along. We saw the car. The next day only we saw. So the person said that there is another guy who is coming to see the car. So we were like, I like the car. जैसे एक होता है ना, एक X factor होता है कार, वो देख के मुझे पता लगा कि यार ये हमारी नेक्स्ट कार है. So anyway, we again wanted a used car for some more time before we could think of which new car to buy. So this was the perfect time to buy the used car. So another thing that happened is I'll give you a small update, or basically a kind of hint to the 12th car. So उसका एक hint ये देख रहा हूँ कि we booked the Scorpio. We first booked the XUV 700 when it was launched. फिर उसमें कुछ, मतलब उसमें कुछ 2 years का waiting था, so we cancelled it. कुछ उसमें actually not only that, there was some problems with which showroom it got. So I booked it online और वो किसी showroom में दिखा नहीं रहा था. So I talked to Mahindra. I did lot of calls. बट जो जो आसपास की जो शोरूम है, जिस शोरूम में दिखा रहा है वो बोला कि भाई हमें ऑर्डर मिला ही नहीं है, एंड दे जो बुकिंग अमाउंट है 21,000 वो मेरे अकाउंट से कट चुका था। आई गॉट रियली पिस्ड ऑफ कि यार ये क्या है यार। सो आई सेड ठीक है, आपको नहीं मिला, आप कैंसिल कर दो। अब कैंसिल कैसे करें जब किसी का ऑर्डर ही नहीं किया। तो आई ओपन द केस विद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, सॉरी नॉट माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, ऑफिस का चीज़ याद आ रहा है। सो आई ओपन द केस विद महिंद्रा एंड दे वर वेरी गुड, मतलब बहुत अच्छी तरह उन्होंने, कस्टमर केयर उनका बहुत अच्छा है, एंड दे कैंसिल द ऑर्डर and they somehow there was a glitch in the software where no booking was done, but मेरे से पैसे, मेरे अकाउंट से पैसे कट गए थे। So anyway, that was solved, and so after that, just a few months later, Scorpio N was launched. Mahindra Scorpio N was launched, and I was I mean, there are 25,000 initial जो बुकिंग करते हैं उनको एक डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस मिलता है, इंट्रोडक्टरी ऑफर। So I was one of them. And it was very sad that I could not go ahead with that, because I did click. There's a 25,000 का जो limit है that finished it around it was around 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds में वो टाइम खत्म हो गया, like 25,000 bookings हो गई थी वो कार की। So I remember it was, I think, August 15th of 2022 or 23, I don't know, किसी one of the two, 22 था obviously, yes. So 22 में वो बुकिंग स्टार्ट किया और वो कैंसिल, 22 में वो बुकिंग स्टार्ट किया, एंड आफ्टर दैट विद इन 25 to 30 सेकेंड्स वो बुकिंग सारी हो गई। एंड आई उस टाइम पे इट वॉज टोल्ड कि आई डिड नॉट गेट द ऑफर, वो पेज के नॉट बी डिस्प्लेड आ गया था। बट लेटर ऑन आनंद महिंद्रा ने बोला कि जो जिसने भी पहले क्लिक किया था उसको मिल जाएगा, नॉट द वन हु पेड फर्स्ट, द वन हु क्लिक्ड फर्स्ट। सो ऑब्वियसली पेमेंट करने में टाइम लगा था बिकॉज पेज के नॉट बी डिस्प्लेड हो रहा था। तो मैंने पे कर तो दिया लेकिन कुछ हुआ नहीं उसका। फिर एनीवे पेमेंट हो गई, सब कुछ हो गया, एंड after 3 days I got to know that I am inside that introductory offer. So that introductory offer was 1 lakh cheaper. The car was 1 lakh cheaper. So anyway, we were on the top of the moon. But when we saw the waiting period, it was like 2.5 years. So we couldn't take it. I mean, two months we were thinking, karne, should we continue? Or there was no hope of the reduction of the waiting period. So we lost hope and we cancelled the booking. So for some time more we thought कि चलो कार को पुराना होने दो, थोड़ा waiting period कम होने दो, and we'll book it again. Why pay the 21,000 का interest to Mahindra for 2.5 years? We can keep it in our bank now. Why you want to put it in Mahindra's bank? So thinking of that, we went for a used car. Okay, now coming back to CRV. So we went to the person. He was a pretty rich guy. उसके पास इतनी एक कोठी थी, and very well-to-do family. So he had kept this car as primary for 15 years. He wanted to sell it off because का RC invalid हो रहा था. And of course, when I planned to buy it, I also had that in mind कि you have to pay for that re-registration or renewal of the RC. So approx cost was around 3.8 or something, I think at that time. Almost 4 लगा लो, 4 lakhs में I was getting. So 4 lakhs में I was getting a petrol car. It was a all-wheel drive. So it was all-time 4-wheel drive, and it was an automatic, and it was a Honda. It was a Honda CRV. So I'll paste the pics, and आप बोल नहीं सकते कि वो 15-year-old car है. So we kept it for 2024 है अभी, तो around 2 years, less than 2 years, around 2 years. So we did a lot of trips in that. We did a Warangal trip. We did a Bangalore trip, Hyderabad, Kerala and back, and we did a Vijayawada trip in that. So many trips happened, जितना मुझे याद है, and we thoroughly enjoyed. My family really enjoyed that car. It is very spacious, and if you have not sat in a Honda CRV, you should do that. It is very spacious. It is very practical. You can just go through. जैसे ड्राइवर और पैसेंजर है, तो आप if you have to go, कभी गाड़ी लेफ्ट में खड़ी हो जाती है and you cannot get out in the parking, तो आप दूसरी साइड से जाना चाहते हो, तो it is way easy. There's a way directly, क्योंकि इसका जो गियर है, I'll put it in the pics, it is in the dashboard. It is the part of the dashboard. So आप उसके बीच में से निकल सकते हो. So pretty practical car, lot of space. डिक्की तो भर के आप जहाँ मर्जी जा सकते हो, एंड उसकी जो सीट्स हैं ऐसे फोल्ड हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है, मतलब 10 तरह आप फोल्ड कर सकते हो, आप लेट के जा सकते हो, आप उसको, मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा, वेरी नाइस. एंड आई रियली लाइक द डिज़ाइन ऑफ दैट कार, दो इट वॉज फ्रॉम 2007. 2007 की कार थी, but you know, it looked much ahead of its time. I mean, no one would say that it's a 2007 car. It looked almost 2020. So well done to Honda for that, for making a car which looks, you know, much ahead of its time. So we did get some issues with that. Issues were most related to you know, electrical things. उसका you know, जो mirrors हैं वो नहीं चलते थे. So we requested Honda to fix it, but somehow they said कि नहीं, इसका part available नहीं है, so you can't do it. So I did one Honda service. So the 16th year का service मैंने किया Honda से, and that was done in Kerala. So I was on a trip to Kerala at that time, and मैं सोचा कि चलो अब वापस हैदराबाद जाना है, उससे पहले हम सर्विस कराते. Because 10,000 kilometers I had roughly run the car. So every 10,000 you should get a service. So we did the service there itself, and the only gripe of that car is that, you know, if you go to a Honda service station, you won't get the spare parts. अगर कुछ आपको change करना, कोई electrical part चाहिए, normally electrical part ही सबसे ज़्यादा पहले जाता है. But mechanically Honda and Toyota, they are pretty good. They don't have much issues even after 15-16 years. So very reliable car, very reliable. उसमें कोई खर्चा नहीं किया मैंने सवाई सर्विस के. Unlike the quote unquote Audi German Q5, मतलब कितना नाम सुना है Audi का नाम, and सब कचरा कार. Anyway, sorry to all Audi owners or whoever is watching this who likes Audi. So we kept the car for around 1 year, or 1.5 years or 2 years approx. We did not get any issues. We did a lot of trips in that. It was a very dependable car. My wife and my kids, they really love the car. So I was thinking, of course, you know, we were growing as a family, so I had a baby daughter. So we thought, अगर मेरे you know, मेरे साइड के या वाइफ के साइड के पेरेंट्स आ रहे हैं या ब्रदर्स आ रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है 5-seater में. So CRV is a 5-seater. So the only reason why we wanted to change the car was because we wanted to buy a you know, 7-seater. That was our main agenda. So of course we did buy, I mean, I might have named the car which we bought. So that is the 12th car. I'll come to that. And you know, that's all from, I mean, from the 10th car. I mean, it's the lucky number 10. We really enjoyed it for almost 2 years, and you know, we had to while selling it, we got a very good person. You know, he was also a family guy like me, and he wanted a car only for weekend drives or something like that. So the mileage, yes. So because it was a all-time four-wheel drive, the mileage was less. But I think, you know, if the ride is comfortable, if the car is good, it's reliable, और कोई खर्चा नहीं है उसमें, I think you 9 और 10 का, मतलब around 9ish, 8 to 9 आपको मिल जाता था सिटी के अंदर. हाईवे में we got more than 11-12. So अब उससे ज़्यादा क्या लोगे यार, मतलब it's a petrol car and it's a very big engine, like 2400 cc का engine है. It's a big engine, old torque converter, automatic. So I mean, it's okay. In my opinion, it was pretty good. 16-year-old car giving you a mileage of 8 to 9 was not bad, not bad. So so that's about it. So hope you like the video, and please do subscribe to my channel and watch the shorts. You will see some good shorts. I have just opened a new playlist which is called my best on-screen videos. So just go through that, and you will see mostly Top Gear stuff. They have been my all-time favorite. So please go through that, and also my quiz. If you are, you know, if you are new to this channel, please do answer my quiz questions and look at the answers later. So you will enjoy that as well. So until next time, keep watching and be good, and God bless.